we're teaching you how to tie a tie. Now this is a simple thing that you can do to help, well, tie your outfit together, if you catch my drift there. Whether it is for a prom, a formal event, or perhaps securing the most important deal of your life at a business meeting, a tie can really help make your outfit pop. So, follow these simple steps for my easy and efficient way to tie your tie and get you out the door fast. Here we go. So you're going to start with your tie here. I have a nice kind of crimson red color here. You can choose any tie with any pattern that you like. Make sure that collar is popped before we start. And you're going to want to really take the short end of your tie here. You have the big fat end here, and you have the short end of your tie. Now, what you're going to want to do, like so, is you want to take this and cross it over here, just like so. Take this and cross it over. Now, you're going to take that and kind of do the same thing, but go under here. Now you kind of have something going like that. But we're not just done yet. Make sure that kind of line there is on the outside here, and flip it over so that we can kind of create the base of our knot here, so you have the front. Now we're going to do what we call going in the rabbit hole here, and we're going to go up, grab it up here, pull through, and kind of have it folded over, just like that. We'll repeat those steps here so you know what we're doing with. Also, make sure that your fatter end of the tie here is longer than your shorter end, otherwise your tie is going to be a length that is not to your liking. You can adjust this after the tying process as well. So take this, tie it over just like that. Wrap it around there, fold it over the top, and then we're going up and through the rabbit hole here. Now, the next step is to take this and go right through the front flap there. Once you pull it down there, this is really going to be your knot. Now I like to do this nice and slow so I can kind of get a nice, crisp, clean, good knot there. Just like that, tighten it to your liking, and adjust up the tie like so. Hold down the collar here, and just like that, you have a tie for whatever event you may be doing. Now you are ready to go and seize the day. Have a great day, everybody.